Density reading is stable at 2.2.
Confirmed. Ready for carving.
The density and curvature are perfect.
Yes, this meets the criteria for the high-end jewelry production line.
Keep it steady. Check the tension gauge now.
Reading green. Secure the front straps.
Easy now. We are ready for the scan.
The robotic arms are engaged. Data transmission commencing.
This specific tusk was refined over several years. The polish requires a delicate touch to highlight the natural grain and ensure its lasting value.
The shipment is confirmed secure.
Real-time tracking shows arrival in the luxury district by 1400 hours. There's the bottleneck. The sorting mechanism is lagging again.
Yes, it's impacting the entire assembly line.
Highly prized, the elephant tusk has long symbolized status. Now, advanced technology.
I think the emeralds should sit right here, contrasting with the white.
Yes, that spot emphasizes the color perfectly.
Our commitment to transparency ensures that every piece is sourced sustainably and ethically.
Can we change the type of gemstones used right here?
Yes, we can customize that for you.
Ensuring consistent color is key during inspection. Then, an ultrasonic cleaning protects
Use this specialized cloth gently, like this, to maintain the luster and prevent any yellowing.
Thank you, that's very helpful.
It really shows the evolution of the craftsmanship, doesn't it?
Yes, from the earliest tools to the modern designs.
Pay close attention to the grain. The depth of the cut is crucial here. Pay close attention to the grain. The depth of the cut is crucial here.
Connecting the customer with the artisan who created their elephant tusk piece adds a personal touch to the luxury purchase.